Hello guys, this is Vlad here with another tutorial. In this case, we're gonna fix, or at least we're gonna improve the speed of the scroller on Microsoft Edge, the browser. So as you can see, every time you use your scroller, you're gonna find that it will stay super quick. So that's not good, because if you want to browse and search different things according to your needing, and also if you're seeing different things, you will see it super flashy. So that's not good. I'm gonna jump back to another example, in this case with the Firefox browser, and as you can see here, this is smooth and there is no trouble with the speed. And this has to do with one thing, and mostly is right here. So we need to go to settings and then mouse settings. So I'm gonna do it again. So go to your search box and you say mouse settings. So this is the thing you need to fix. This part, when you say roll the mouse wheel to scroll multiple lines at a time or one screen at a time, it's the difference. What is the problem? If I put one screen at a time, you see how the speed of the Firefox browser is going to start rolling like crazy. As you can see, boom, it's horrible and it's super difficult. If I get back to the Edge, is the same. So what is the problem? The problem is itself the Edge version. So you can play with these values as multiple lines at a time. Right here I have 3, so I'm gonna jump to 1 and we'll see the difference. Now as you can see, it's super slow. If I try to go more quick, there is no time, and it's super clunky and it's horrible. So if I use that settings on this, it's horrible, it's worse. So the main thing is the Edge. So let's go back to multiple lines, but 3 lines, and that's the right amount. Let's go back, and as you can see, on Firefox is running super nice. So the only way I have found to try to make it more easy to move is you click in any part of the page, in this case right here, and you're going to use your arrows up and down, and that way you can read and try to work more easy with the content. And also it's more friendly with your eyes, because otherwise if you do it with your mouse, it's gonna kill your vision. So that's it. That's the only way I found to fix, or at least try to improve this error with Microsoft Edge. I hope you like it. So see you soon.